Albert Einstein once said, "I have no special talents, I am only passionately curious." And I think the same thing can be said for all creators who love to travel the world. We love to meet new people, to learn about new cultures and step outside our comfort zone. It's our fuel for life, man. It's the reason we wake up and the reason we keep going. I think as humans and creators, we're all innately curious, almost to the point of ignorance. Always on the move, always on the lookout. No time to stop because the grass is somehow always greener. Our sense of fulfillment is short-lived and we're quickly on to the next thing without taking the time to slow down and really appreciate the moment. Honestly, when you've travelled so much, there's days when you feel like you've seen everything and it just doesn't motivate you like it used to. Sometimes even the biggest waterfalls and the deepest jungles to the loneliest beaches with the most turquoise waters can pass you by. Always curious and constantly critical, we're always looking for that new thing, that new place, that new adventure, that new experience, because we just can't recognise what's right in front of us. It's an obsession and we can't rest. We can't rest until we find something to fill that gap, an itch that we just can't scratch, something we can't quite put our finger on yet. For us, no climb is too high and no drive is too far. We do whatever it takes and go wherever we need to just to get the next hit. And to be honest, I don't think we even know what it is that we're searching for. We only know that when we find it, we're going to feel it. We search low and we search high, and then out of nowhere you finally find what you've been searching for all along. What we were looking for was altitude. Okay, so this is how it works. Let me try and explain it for you in the best way I know how. There is no greater high than this. It doesn't get any better, and honestly you can't match the feeling of looking out over the horizon at sunrise. In all weathers and temperatures we strive for that next hit. We push and we persevere through all conditions. We pull through the darkest of nights and the coldest of dawn to recreate the same feelings over and over. To feel the mountain winds rushing by, to watch the clouds dancing around the peaks, to exhale all of our worries when we feel the warmth of first light on our face, to look down on the world around us as we stand on top of the world, knowing that for now, for just that one tiny brief moment, when the sun finally rises in the distance, that you finally feel alive. And it doesn't get any better than this. Until, of course, the next time.